Baden-Württemberg, Germany, May 7, 2023. Storms and heavy rain on Sunday in the state of Baden-Württemberg caused many roads to flood. Road closures and fires after lightning strikes. The Zollernalb district in particular was hit hard. After a heavy storm, the fire department in Balingen working long hours to control flash floods.
Hi Leute, guckt dir das mal an, wir haben Überschwemmung. Es läuft kaltes Wasser noch rein, seht ihr das?
Meanwhile, in the Balingen area, some 240 emergency services were deployed on about 100 missions, according to local officials. Several buildings had to be evacuated and dungeons pumped out. Many roads are flooded. The flooding was exacerbated by the overflow of the Eyach River. The storm also affected a park show in Balingen, which saw about 15,000 people over the weekend. Organizer closed entrances Sunday afternoon. In addition, the heavy rain also had an impact on the rail network. The route between Balingen and Albstadt towards Laufen had to close for around 4 hours on Sunday. The German Weather Service had warned on Sunday of a thunderstorm expected from the afternoon into the evening. Weather experts forecast heavy rains of up to 25 liters per square meters, some as high as 60 liters.